Aha, buju minawa. Ginugishik indigenous cause niwi giknu mage china ma put it words. Ha, any business done. Atuna ma be do no ma bugadinan aje atun. Alright, you have to say these out loud after me. Every Ojibwe word, say out loud. Here we go. Put it there. Put it or them. Atun ima. Atun ima. Say there. Ima. Ima. Say put it there. Atun ima. Atun ima. Say bring it or them here. Be doon oma. Be doon oma. Here, O ma. O ma. Bring it or them. Be doon. Be doon oma. Say bring it here. Be doon oma. Be doon oma. Say put it there. Atun ima. Atun ima. Say set it down. Set them down. Bugadinan. Bugadinan. None. Dinan. Gidinan. Bugadinan. How do you say set them down? Bugadinan. Bugadinan. Say put them there. Atuna ma. Atuna ma. Bring them here. Be doon oma. Be doon oma. Say set it down. Bugadinan. Bugadinan. Say put them back. Aje atun. Aje atun. Say put it. Atun. Atun. Say put it back. Aje atun. Aje atun. How do you say put it back? Aje atun. Aje atun. Say put them there. Put them there. Atun ima. Atun ima. Say bring them here. Be doon oma. Be doon oma. Say set them down. Bugadinan. Bugadinan. Say put them back. Aje atun. Aje atun. Say put them back. Aje atun. Aje atun. Set it down. Bugadinan. Bugadinan. Bring it here. Be doon oma. Be doon oma. Put them over there. Put them there. Atun ima. Atun ima. Say bugadinan. Nan. Bugadinan. Set it down. Bugadinan. Say put them back. Aje atun. Aje atun. Alright, misio minik in way to yan dinwe magani do kayan guamazin ni gana kea gabea yi chimino bamadazi. Remember, decolonization is only through the language.